Hey everyone. The prayer that I put out on the live, apparently the sound wasn't good. That's the thing about lives, is that you never know what's going on the other side. So I apologize for that. And I just wanted to put out a video with a prayer so that we can all hold this prayer together. And whoever sees the video can engage with the video. So this is a prayer for our brothers and sisters in Florida, specifically on the West Coast, and all of those lands that touch this coastline, all of the lands that are touching the Gulf of Mexico. You never know which way it can turn, right? Look what happened in Carolina. We thought that it was going to hit the Florida, and we were all praying for Florida, and then it went up into the mountains in North Carolina. Who knew that that would happen? So we don't really know exactly where this hurricane its trajectory is. But we would love to speak to it and to speak to the energies of that we can use our power of our hearts, the power of love, because the power of love is the most powerful power there is. And then when we come together, united, heart to heart, united in this love, united in this brotherhood, this sisterhood, this family, we have the power to create miracles. So let us create a miracle together. Let us envision now and see in our mind's eye the hurricane, as if we were floating above it. And we can see the whole Gulf of Mexico. We can see Texas, Louisiana, and Florida, and the other states that surround. And we can see how the hurricane is coming towards Florida in the most ferocious way. It's angry. It's powerful. It's very, very strong. And the winds, Brother Wind, is riding right alongside her, assisting her. Also very ferocious way. And so we call upon our beloved Mother, our divine feminine, and our beloved Father, divine masculine, in perfect union as one great spirit. And we ask you, great spirit, to help us, to assist us. The great spirit that exists within each one of us, that exists in me, that exists within you, that exists within this hurricane, that exists within the wind, that exists within all of the people and all the beings, all of the creatures that live in Florida. We connect with all of these now, the elements of air, fire, water, and earth, with the directions east, south, west, and north, with our ancient ancestors and our future ancestors, and all of the brothers and sisters of this land, this great land we call Mother Earth. Let us connect now with all of them, all of the souls. We call upon the great Mama Ocean. And we ask you, Mama Ocean, to hear us. Please forgive us if we have angered you. We send you so much love. And send your love now to Mama Ocean. Let her feel the love. We'll begin with a prayer from the Hawaiians. And please forgive me, my precious brothers and sisters of Hawaii, if I say it wrong or if I offend you by saying it. It's not my intention. It is only my intention to bring forth the healing of the great Ho'oponopono. So let us bring forth the Ho'oponopono together, sending it out to Mama Ocean and to the beautiful energies of this hurricane. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Thank you. I love you. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Thank you. I love you. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Thank you. I love you. Let's do 3 more times together if you haven't been doing it with me. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Thank you. I love you. Feel the beautiful ocean's love rising up as she hears our words, touching the very heart of the ocean. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Thank you. I love you. Our beautiful brothers and sisters of the ocean, the whales and the dolphins, the fishes, and all of the aquatic beings, they hear us. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Thank you. I love you. Let us hold so much love and light, sending it to the ocean, especially that ocean. Even though it's not an ocean, it's a gulf, but it still comes from the ocean. Let us send this energy now to the Gulf of Mexico. Also asking our beautiful brother Wind to come also, to calm his heart and to forgive us if we have angered him in any way. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Thank you. I love you. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Thank you. I love you. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Thank you. I love you. We speak to you, Mama Ocean. We ask you to please calm, be calm. Help yourself to calm and become the beautiful, beautiful waves of love and gentleness as you approach the shores of Florida. Know that the people there love you. They respect you and they honor you. I love you. I respect you. I honor you, Mama Ocean. Yemaya. We send you so much love and we thank you for remembering all the people that are on this land. We hold you in love. We hold you in light. We respect you. We honor you. And we send you this love that you may start to calm and slow down as you approach the shores. And Brother Wind, we also love you. And we ask you to come, to be calm, and to come to a place of gentle, beautiful breeze, so that when you reach the shores of Florida, you too will be gentle and kind to the people there, and all of the beings that live on this land, and all of the great businesses that exist there, and all the houses. Thank you for coming yourself and bringing forth the most gentle spirit as you touch the shores, gentle, calm, and filled with love and grace, having mercy on the people, having mercy on all those beings that live there. We love you so much, and we thank you. We surround now Florida in beautiful white light. All of Florida and all of the beings, all of the creatures, all of the energies that exist on this peninsula. We surround them in the tube of white light to be shielded and protected by the highest holy light. Protected from any nefarious energies, any harmful energies. And while I have you all here, let's protect the entire United States and the entire continent of North America in this light as well. Holding all of us, every single being that exists on this continent in the highest frequency of divine love, divine light, shielded and protected in white light, very much like this card. And so envisioning and holding this vision, holding the container for them, that we all, every single one of us are protected individually and as a collective. And that no nefarious energy, wherever it may come from, may touch us. That whatever is sent out that is nefarious, that is unholy, that is not in alignment with our soul's mission, in perfect, pure peace and love and joy and unity, that it may reflect off of this tube of white light and send back to whence it came. And so it is. And so it is. And so it is. And so it is done. Oh, thank you all for being with me. Thank you for praying with me. Thank you for holding these visions. Until next time, I love you.